Adios. Good morning. So today is 26th of February. It's 9:30 and I woke up super late. So the plan today is I'm going to make a day trip video. So I'm gonna go hit a shower, then we're gonna go. Woo-hoo. Actually, I just done shower like 30 minutes ago. So I'm gonna get a quick burger and then I'm just gonna go out. We'll see how much I can get in just a day in KL. So the thing is about traveling is that you try as much as you can. You don't go to the places that what your country already has. Like, I know Coffee Bean, Starbucks, what else? So we are going Jalan Kaki KLCC. So this is gonna be very long and very boring, so I'm gonna fast forward this. But enjoy the ride. At least you're not tired. I am. So now walking from KLCC, the tower, that tower, we're going to take it's a train, okay. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna go to Central Market. Surya KLCC, but that's not the tower. I am at KLCC. Wait, I'm at that station. KLCC. So I don't know how it portrays when I make this video. I hope it's gonna be correct. So I'm here. I'm gonna go to 3 stations going here to go to Central Market. Arriving in 1 minute time. Central Market. Look at that. Stars in Central Market. So you'll find cultural items here. I'm just gonna go around and see. I think I'm gonna go for one. I really wanted to do this. Yeah. Fishes. Okay. So I went to that fish spa. It felt good. We go outside the central market. There are quite a few shops outside as well. Okay. It's so cool. So, next. We actually go this way. We're very close to Melodic Street. So the central market was from that side, and let's go here. There it is. It's actually across that road, so it's that side. That's Melodic Street. There you go. Now that's Melodic Street. It's Melodic Street. Welcome. That's it for Melodic Street. Next, we're gonna go. So we started from Bukit Bintang and we went to KLCC, and we took the MRT from KLCC station to Pasar Sini to go to Central Market. And from Central Market we walked to Melodic Street. We tried to go to KL Central. That's the next stop. Ooh, art. So cool. Have a quick bite at KL Central. Yes, they have food there. Avoid crowd at all costs, especially during this season with the corona and all. But working in the healthcare industry, I guess that's the perks of being a healthcare worker. You just know when are you going to initiate instinct of being a healthcare worker. See you at the next station. KL Central. Yeah, there we go. This is KL Central. So tired. I'm gonna have a quick grab bite of this and next stop. Okay, so I just arrived at Mid Valley. Oh, it's here, Mid Valley Mega Mall. So here we are, Mid Valley Mega Mall. It's really nice and it's really big. That is all from me for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, please don't attack me in the comments. This is my first time. I did my best and I will do a better one in the future, I hope, once I get the hang of it. So subscribe, like the video, and more videos are coming up. And take care, home peeps, and see you in the next video. Take care, be safe, bye bye, peace, bye.